Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems. Whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide, we have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to post a job on LinkedIn. First of all, you can open the LinkedIn application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the jobs icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And here you can see the option find a great hire fast. Tap on post job for free. And after this, you can just simply write the job title. And after this, you can now tap on write on my own. And after this, you can just simply select the company that you want to hire a worker. And after this, you can workplace type on site. You can just simply fill the job location or job type, or you can now tap on next at the top right corner of the screen to filling all of the steps. And after this, you can just simply review job post, and after this, post job for free at very last. And it is a way you can post job on LinkedIn. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes the browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.